Welcome to our fitness journey, where today we're exploring the transformative power of rowing. Many cardio exercises place stress on your knees and ankles, but the rowing machine offers a unique, low-impact alternative that works both your upper and lower body without harsh impact. Ideal for anyone seeking a comprehensive workout with minimal risk of injury, rowing promises significant benefits. Stick around till the end of this video to discover the incredible changes rowing daily can bring to your body. Let's dive into the world of rowing and uncover its potential together. Unlike traditional cardio equipment like treadmills and bikes, the rowing machine provides a full-body workout that engages both the upper and lower body in a gentle yet effective manner. It's especially recommended for rehabilitation, thanks to its safe, controlled motion. Mimicking the action of rowing on water, this machine intensively works out the back, shoulders, and lower body muscles, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their overall fitness. While often considered more beneficial for men due to its emphasis on upper body strength, women too can gain tremendously from rowing. It tones the arms, back, and abs while sculpting the legs and buttocks. Utilizing up to 95% of the body's muscles, rowing ensures a balanced workout that strengthens the core muscle groups, including the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, trapezius, pectoralis major, deltoids, biceps, triceps, abs, quadriceps, and calf muscles. This comprehensive muscle engagement enhances overall strength, boosts metabolism, reduces body fat, and improves circulation and lymph flow. Rowing is not just about building muscle. It's a vigorous exercise that challenges your entire body, including your legs. The resistance involved in rowing accelerates muscle strengthening, metabolism, and fat reduction, while also stimulating blood circulation. This leads to higher calorie burn, surpassing even that of running on the treadmill, according to Harvard Health publications. Moreover, rowing enhances stamina. Regular use of the rowing machine strengthens the heart, normalizes cardiovascular functions, and improves endurance. Its low-impact nature significantly reduces joint stress, making it a safer option for people recovering from injuries or operations, and those who may find other forms of cardio challenging due to obesity. Rowing's versatility caters to various fitness goals, from weight loss and maintenance to muscle strengthening, cardiovascular health, and rehabilitation. Its inclusive nature makes it an essential piece of equipment for home fitness, offering a well-rounded workout accessible to many. While rowing is predominantly beneficial, it's important to acknowledge its limitations. Compared to other cardio machines, rowing places less emphasis on leg work and might be viewed as monotonous due to its repetitive motion. It combines strength and cardio, which might not align with the goals of those seeking purely aerobic exercises. To maximize benefits and minimize risks, mastering the correct rowing technique is crucial. Proper form involves starting with bent legs and an extended, firm grip on the handle. Your back should remain straight, with the body leaned slightly forward. Push off with your legs, pulling the handle to your chest, focusing on engaging your back muscles rather than your arms, and finish with your body tilted slightly backward before returning smoothly to the starting position. This technique ensures safety and effectiveness, maximizing the workout's benefits. Despite its safety, certain conditions warrant caution when using a rowing machine. Individuals with arterial hypertension, radiculitis, osteochondrosis, severe scoliosis, or certain internal organ diseases should consult a healthcare provider before incorporating rowing into their regimen. Understanding these contraindications ensures a safe and healthy rowing experience. Rowing daily offers a path to remarkable physical transformation, enhancing strength, endurance, and overall fitness without the wear and tear associated with many other exercises. Whether you're in recovery, seeking to lose weight, or aiming to bolster your cardiovascular health, rowing provides a comprehensive workout suited to a wide range of fitness levels and goals. Embrace rowing as part of your routine and witness the profound impact it can have on your body and well-being. Don't forget to check out our channel for more fitness insights and tips. Together, let's build a stronger, healthier anatomy.